इस वक्त जो बच्चों के ख़िलाफ़ क्राइम है और जो ख़वातीन के जो रेप है इस वक्त,
Newspaper reports about incidents of rape involving children and women are not even 1% of the actual number. This is something that is spreading rapidly in our society. It has been since forever, but people did not talk about this because of shame. Nowadays, though, there is active discourse. But again, we shouldn't delude ourselves into thinking that the number of cases reported in newspapers reflect actual numbers. There is a dearth of these cases, immoral acts against children and rape. I want to reiterate.
बच्चों के खिलाफ जो जो ये बदकारी है और दूसरा रेप है, और मैं इसके लिए
Like corruption can't be rooted out with legislation alone, the same applies to this. We have made severe laws. We introduced the anti-rape ordinance to address immoral acts against children and rape. But this law alone isn't enough to tackle this issue. Society must band together to fight this. There are some battles only a society can win.
इसमें पूरा माशरा मिलके लड़ेगा. देखिए, कई जंगें माशरा जीतती है.
If we make laws and people don't adhere to them, how many offenders can we nab? Society needs to decide that it is destroying itself, and there are reasons for this. Let me tell you, in any society where vulgarity is rampant, there will be some consequences. Why is vulgarity prohibited by our religion? What is the concept behind the veil? It's to prevent temptation in our society. Not every member of a society has willpower. So the more vulgarity is promoted in a society, if we are not careful of this, sexual violence is an effect of this.
लोगों को यानी हर इंसान के अंदर वो होती नहीं है, ताकत नहीं होती, विल पावर नहीं होता. आप अगर माशरे के अंदर जितनी जितनी बढ़ाते जाएंगे फाशी और आप इसकी एहतियात नहीं करेंगे, इसके असरात हैं.
When I first went back to Britain at the age of 17, their society was not what it has become now. The sex, drugs and rock and roll was just introduced. I witnessed it myself. The more they propagated vulgarity, the worse their society became. They used to have adult-only films, and nowadays that kind of content is almost in all of the movies and all over their media. What happened as a result of this was that there was a direct impact on the institution of family in these societies. When I was in Britain, 1 of 17 couples would end up in a divorce. The divorce rate there now is 70%, and it's increasing. That's not all. When Bollywood began following the trends in Hollywood, India also started suffering from similar problems. Delhi is now known as the rape capital of the world. So like I said, society needs to take a stance. There are many things that we can't put a stop to. We watch foreign movies, we watch Bollywood movies. You can watch them on TV anytime. Old Bollywood movies, the ones we remember, we can see what they have turned into now. These movies have some sort of impact, don't they? When our religion gave us the concept of the veil, there was a philosophy behind all this, wasn't there? The philosophy is to secure the family system and to protect society from the impacts of vulgarity. We as a society, our filmmakers, our media persons, must take responsibility. And right now, mobile phones are causing the most damage. Our children have access to the kind of content on their phones that wasn't accessible before in human history. We need a holistic approach to this matter. I introduced Turkish TV dramas in Pakistan after discussing this issue with President Erdogan. But why? In the beginning, I told media personalities of my concerns that all the content contained in Bollywood and Western films that they are copying, they don't apply to our society.
मैं ये जो सारा एक तुर्की का ड्रामा लेके आया प्रेसिडेंट अर्दोगान को कह के, ये जो तुर्की का ड्रामा है, मैं क्यों लेके आया था? क्योंकि मैं जब शुरू में लोगों को, अपने मीडिया के लोगों को कहता था फिल्म पे कि देखें, यहाँ आप जब इंडियन कंटेंट लेके आते हैं या वेस्टर्न कंटेंट को कॉपी करते हैं, तो हमारे माशरे में
We don't have discos or nightclubs, and we are exposing citizens to the kind of culture that doesn't exist here. Wouldn't this result in some negative impacts on our society? Well, they said no one watches our films if we don't copy Indian things. But now look at the Turkish series airing on national TV. There is no such content in that, yet the whole world is watching it. So what I am trying to say is that we will make laws, but we have to unite in order to defeat this monstrous cancer that is spreading rapidly in our society and is being underreported.
कानून तो हम बनाएंगे, लेकिन ये सारे हमने मिल के, ये बहुत बड़ी कैंसर फैलती जा रही है हमारे माशरे में और रिपोर्ट बहुत कम हो रही है। हमने सब ने मिल के इसका मुकाबला करना है।